Good morning, Munchkins. It's a big day. We're gonna have a farm work day. It looks like a Play-Doh party in here. Morning, honey. You ready to get some work done?
Yep, fed the chickens this morning.
It's a beautiful morning out here. Chickens and the ducks and Donald are all out here happily munching on their breakfast. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming, Christopher.
You're welcome. Let's get to work.
Thank you for coming. Congratulations, you all.
Thank you.
Christopher and Tori just got engaged.
A month ago. A month and a couple days.
Ago. Yay.
Thank y'all for coming to help. Jeffrey, Amy. What are you cooking, Mama?
I'm making biscuits, but since you all are gluten-free, I am using oats to flour my biscuits.
Priscilla, thanks for coming out to help.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas. A little late. Anna, Merry Christmas. Thanks for coming out. Merry Christmas, Grandpa. So we just had a really awesome Christmas gift exchange as a family. I'm bringing food scraps out to the chickens here, and then we're gonna try to get a little work done in the barn, getting ready for goats. So we have to introduce family and friends to the chickens and ducks. Jeffrey, this is Donald. Donald, this is Jeffrey. Amy, Donald. Donald, Amy. Christopher, this is Donald. Donald, that's Christopher. The fence is on. Don't touch it now. So here's the overview and outdoor fence area here, which we're not going to work on today. This is going to be our main goat stall over here. And I'll show you that in a second. And then this is going to be open to here, and there's going to be a fence across here. This stall here, ideally cleaned out. And then over here is the goat stall. So this stall in here needs to be finished cleaning out. Hi, Joy. So my brother-in-law, Brendan, the master carpenter, is gonna work on building a door between the goat stall and the milking room. There he is. Thank you, Brendan. Take your pick. You can have any of this wood to make your door.
I'm gonna build you the nicest door you've ever seen.
Thank you so much. Slaving away in the dark basement of a barn. Thank y'all so much.
This is crazy, Daddy. Watch.
Digging poop. Thank y'all so much. Thanks, Priscilla. Did you think you'd be scraping poop off of a wall today?
Yeah, I figured that might be one of the things that happened.
Anna broke all the old glass out of this window, so we can put probably a plexiglass pane or maybe new glass in there. Almost all of it.
I just got to take a nice walk around the property outside. I was going crazy. Being inside all day, I get really overwhelmed. I start to feel the walls closing in on me. Grandma's been in here with the baby, and he is being a helper. You want some? You can't eat cheese. I want to show you guys the view out my kitchen window right now. Is people working. So nice. I don't know if y'all can see that. Some homegrown, home butchered chicken. A bunch of chili. Priscilla brought chili. Grandma made some lovely biscuits. And we have salad and chili fixins. And Grandma, you made apple crisp, right? I think everyone's gonna be well fed when they come back inside.
Mr. Bright Boy, have you already eaten? That was a cool Christmas present.
Hello, sir.
A measuring tape for a boy.
Whoa.
Let's circle up and sing a quick grace, and then we'll eat.
Gloria, 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 Alleluia, Gloria, Gloria, Alleluia.
So I have some amazing cheese my dad brought over. I don't know how to pronounce this.
Époisse.
Époisse. There's just a funny story behind this cheese. Do you mind if I tell this, Brendan?
No, no.
When Brendan was hiking the Appalachian Trail, he sent my dad his dirty Appalachian Trail socks as a gift. So my dad got him this cheese. I've been hearing all kinds of things about this cheese. I just tried it. When you smell it, It smells like a mix between dirty, rotten socks and really rotten food. If you smell this in your fridge, you would throw everything in your fridge out. It's actually not bad.
We just have to power right past the stink.
Woo! Oh, that's terrible.
Can you smell it?
Oh.
I'm gonna let...
It about made me gag.
Hey Justice, smell this cheese, buddy. Do you like this cheese?
Taste it? You want to taste it?
This would make a great gift for someone you love. Brat boy, brat boy, brat boy, brat boy. What's for dessert, Joyful?
Ice cream and apple crisp.
Yummy, that looks so good. All right, we're done eating. Well, some of us are done eating and getting back to work. Everyone's gonna leave probably in about 30 minutes. Some of them might stay a little longer. So Brendan's working on the door. I'm trying to figure out the partition wall that's gonna go across. Kind of a waist height, well, 5-foot wall across here. I'm gonna use this old pallet here to make it. And everyone else is working on cleaning out the stalls, getting all the old manure out. Bye! See you later, good to see you. Thanks for helping. Bye, good to see you. So we just took our third of 4 loads of manure to the garden. We're getting our last load loaded into the truck right now. This type of work project, at least for me, is basically impossible without having help like this. And you know, friends are awesome. We have some great friends, but in the end, in my life, a lot of the time it's been family who's come in and done just like the heavy group work projects. One really big blessing today is that so far we've been able to make it up the hill in my little 2-wheel drive truck. When it's loaded like this, it'll get up the hill, and it rained quite a bit this morning. So I'm just really grateful for all the family help that we've had today. After today, there's really just gonna be a couple more jobs to do. There is the fence. Just really encouraged though that we're moving forward on this project and we're gonna be able to get those goats really soon. Just one more reason to use these portable electric fences. They're super, super easy. We've just dropped the fence down to the ground. I've pulled my tires just to the edge of the fence and we're unloading over the tailgate right into the chicken area. These chickens are really enjoying working these 2 piles here. We've got a pile over here and a pile over here. The worms are gonna come up out of the soil and just work on all that material and break it down and pull the nutrients down into the soil. The chickens are gonna spread it out and add their manure. We're gonna have a great garden here this coming season, but also in the years to come. Hey, did you come to see some of the action out here?
You guys need to get out. Get out of my 4 walls.
The color looks nice on you.
Thank you, it's one of my favorite colors. Father and son working hard. Look at Brendan, he is finishing up our amazing door. I can't wait for you guys to see this door. He is about to adjust the miters. Thanks for adjusting the miters for my door.
You better believe it. These ones, I'm pretty sure are cherry.
Oh wow.
And some of it's poplar, so it's like a combination of cherry, poplar, and oak.
So you got it from over here?
I did, yeah.
Very cool. What do you think?
Like it.
It's clean like you. Did you just get out of the bathtub?
Yes.
Don't get all dirty again.
I won't.
You look awesomely cute in that outfit. I don't know if you guys can see this. It might have gotten too dark. Do you guys remember what this looked like? It had all that junk in here. And all the junk is gone. And she cleaned off the steps. She actually cleaned off the walls. and the rafters as well. It's amazing.
All right, thank y'all for coming out.
Yeah, great.
That was really fun. We got a lot done. Brendan and Anna recently moved down from the Northeast to be back in North Carolina. Brendan has been up there doing really high-end finished carpentry, installations, super nice work. So if you're in Western North Carolina and you're looking for really high-end, fine carpentry, check out his website, look at his stuff. He's got a passion for quality and attention to detail in his business. Check him out. Brianna came down to see it. What do you think, Bree?
I cannot believe we got this done today. I can't believe it. That means we're like so much closer to getting the goats. And I want to get them like really, really soon because I want them to have their babies here. This is the best Christmas gift I could have ever gotten. It's just incredible. Oh.
Pretty awesome, huh?